How to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of your Monopoly application. So first, you just have to restart the application, exit this, and then open again. Now, if in this case, or after doing this, after restarting the application, still the problem exists, all you have to do now is to exit again the application. Now, this time, you have to go to the application, but long press, and then tap App Info. Actually, you can do this also if you go to your settings, open your settings, and then look for application management, and then look for app list. There, you can search for Monopoly Go, and then do the same thing. But this time, I did the easiest and fastest way, and that is to long press the application and go to app information, and then tap storage usage. And then all you have to do is to click this clear cache and clear data. So click clear cache, and then after that, you have to click clear data. And then after that, click OK. Now go and open your Monopoly Go application. And I hope this time it will resolve the problem. Monopoly Go invite friends not working. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.